trending on Procyon radio and television with Sarah. I have MK all-rounder, a music comedian with me.
Thank you for having me.
MK, you're welcome. Thank you for joining us. President Tinubu has put the entire economic structure of Nigeria in the hand of Yorubas, Obina Onsu. The Federal House of Representatives, Obina Onsu, tweeted that Nigerians has accepted the Yorubas' rise to power under President Bola Tinubu administration. Obina further stated that they will lead the country effectively and save Nigerians from further suffering. According to him, the CBN governor is Yoruba, Finance Minister Yoruba, Chair FIRS Yoruba, Minister of Digital Economy Yoruba, Minister of Marine Industry and Blue Economy Yoruba. I really hope they succeed and make life better for the regular man. The term nepotism no longer has a negative connotation in Nigeria. MOHBAD'S last statement revealing those behind his death. In a bid following the trend on MOHBAD'S death, the rising rapper who gave up the ghost on September 13th, the internet has been set on high rage after MOHBAD'S death as Naira Marley's house got burnt by some men and a monarch who disowned Larry Sam over the video he did before MOHBAD'S death. MK all-rounder on trending today.
Thank you.
We have President Tinubu, who puts the entire economic structure of Nigeria in the hand of Yoruba. Obina also.
President Tinubu, Bola Tinubu, is the president of Nigeria and is from Southwest. In economic, he put the economic in the hand of Yorubas. Now, this is where I come from. I don't see anything wrong. You might call it nepotism, and it's true, it's nepotism. Because in our constitution, when we say we should follow the federal character or whatever, and if he decided to put the Yorubas in the economic, the danger there is that if they didn't perform as the Buhari's security men at that time didn't perform, you understand? That's where the issue, that is where my own problem come from. We saw Buhari's own, they didn't perform. We talk, Nigeria talk, it didn't change and they didn't perform. But now, the Tinubu, he has put it under the Yoruba. If I pray they performed, and I know they will perform, because Tinubu is a Yoruba man. He can't be thinking as a Fulani man. The thinking of Fulani man is different from a Yoruba man. So I know and I will like to believe that they will perform. But if the reverse is the case, it will not all go well. Because in the situation where we have multi-languages, tribes, it's better. There's nowhere you will go to Enugu or Katsina State that you will not see somebody there that knows about the economy, about how many millions of people. You see, at least you will see one. So that is the issue. We pray that they perform well and they don't give him again a name. So we pray that all the Yorubas in the economic side of Nigeria perform very well, and this hardship that people are suffering now come and go.
Let's be a bygone.
Let's be a bygone. So I pray for them to succeed.
All right, MOHBAD'S last statement revealing those behind his death.
The young boy that died as a young musician, MOHBAD, that died recently, that caused uproar in the music industry. I consult the family and the music industry. But I want to say something particularly into. I'm a comedian. I'm a music comedian. I've been in the industry for a long time. I've been seeing what is happening in the olden days. Let's talk of 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. What we used to have is that the musicians used to fight themselves. Before you will hear, that's why you hear King Sunny Ade is fighting Ebenezer Obey. You hear Sikiru Ayinde Barrister is fighting Kollington Ayinla. You will hear that Brachi Mizi is not agree with Baba Peter Iwavo. So that is the issue among the musicians then, to the extent of, if I may talk, killing themselves, wound themselves, meet themselves at the engagement and do hooliganism, something like that. But the thing still persists till today. Now, if you see that I heard that they have burned the Naira Marley house and Sam Larry. Now, if you see the roles that these two guys played in this scenario, you will know that no how, understand, people will reacted. Because the way we learn is that the Mohbad is with Naira Marley. And when his trouble started over 8 months ago, he didn't pick call from his mother. It's only whiskey that he used to give the mother money to take care of this poor boy. What I felt is that the boy go into long depression. In depression, many things can happen. You can started taking drugs. If depression is too much for you, taking drugs, all matter of things will be happening. And that's really what's happened to Mohbad. And again and again, I want to talk about our young men being in the music industry. They want to make it big. They will start today and want to make it at once big. Bam! That's why you see them, most of them join cults. Most of them join cults. You understand? And the end of the day, anything you force yourself, if you force fame, force money, you understand? There's a repercussion to all this. So my advice to upcoming artists and whatever in any field you are, please take it easy.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. MKO all rounder. Training on Procyon Radio and television with Sarah Agbon. Keep shining like the star you are.